Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, bread and butter, above and below, the bigger the better. Too many too. Tom and Tim were twins. Tom said to Tim, "Can I tell to you a difficult dollar?" Dr. Dyson said to his daughter Daria, "Don't go downtown after dark. It's dangerous." Daria said, "Don't worry, Dad. I won't. You know I never do." "Dad, I've been packing all week for Camp Kekekuma. I can't wait to get there. Do you remember your camping days?" A big dog. "Peggy is going to the game." The dog dug up his bone again. "There is a big bag on the rack."